Okay, today we're gonna work on a 2008 Honda Accord engine sounds, and we figured it out. The valves they have adjustment, so we're gonna adjust the valves, and hopefully the sounds goes away. So if you guys have any problem with a Honda 3.5 motor, this kind of motor they have a valve adjustment. So when you hit 120,000 miles, you gotta readjust the valve because the rattling sounds really bad. And when you press the throttle, when you press the gas pedal, it sounds even worse. So I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me get the phone a little bit closer. You heard it. That's the valve. That's the valve. So we're gonna start working on it right now. Let's grab the tool. And this is how you take the intake out. We gotta take the intake out before we take the valve covers out. You gotta take that cover from here. You gotta take it out. You gotta take out their air filter housing right here. You're gonna lose the throttle body right here. Don't take them out, just loosen from the bolts right here, and it's gonna be loose. You gotta take this cover out so you could take the whole intake out. That's how you do it. And after you done that, and then we start working on the valve adjustment. Okay, we got it loose. This is the throttle body. Do not move this butterfly right here. You see where my finger is? Do not move it because the settings are they're gonna get lost, so you're not getting in trouble. So don't put your finger in there. Now we gotta remove this Honda cover right here, and the bolts for the intake they're gonna be under this cover. So we see. Okay, we got the cover out. So you see the bolts right here. These bolts right here, 12 millimeter. These ones, they grab the whole intake. So we're gonna take them out right now. Okay, we got it out. See, this is the lower intake. That's the throttle body. It's gonna stay in there. So now we're gonna work on the valve covers right here. This is valve cover 1, valve cover 2. So we're gonna take them out so you can see the valve. Okay, valve cover is out, and this is the valve right here. That's the sounds. So you gotta do the adjustment. You gotta lose the nut right here, and then you gotta adjust right here with a flat screwdriver. But before you do that, you gotta do the timing thing. You gotta put a top dead center, and then you gotta be turning little by little and doing the adjustment on the sequential. I'm gonna show you how, so stay tuned. Okay, we got the two valve covers out. So now we gotta go see the sequence for the valve adjustment, and we come back. So don't leave the seat. Okay, now we gotta turn the engine clockwise on the crankshaft. I have my ratchet right here. Let me put a flashlight on. You can see. I don't know if you can see my ratchet on the crankshaft. Look, on the pulley. So I gotta turn it until I find number 1 right here. You're gonna see right now. Oh, hold on, this camera right now is doesn't. Okay, that's the band. That's a little window on the timing cover. Right here, my finger is. So you're gonna turn it until you find number 1, and you gotta line it with this. I don't know if you can see it. There we go, right there. That little lash. So you're gonna line number 1 there, and then you're gonna do cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 1 is gonna be close to the firewall. This is cylinder number 1, 2, and 3. This is 4 right here. 4, 5, 6. So you have hold on. So you have 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, and 6. So when you turn in the crankshaft, you're gonna find number 1 on the window right there, and then turn it again, and then you're gonna find another number. So with a number you find, that's the cylinder you gotta adjust. So it's easy to do it. So you're gonna see it right now. Okay, I have my flashlight, I have my mirror right here. So you just put it right here, and then you can see the window. You can see the window right there. That's where you're gonna find the numbers. Okay, so now we got our line. Let me see if I can put the camera around down there so you can see the number what I'm talking about. Here we go. That's number 1. You see the marks, the line marks right there. That's number 1. So you gotta do cylinder number 1 and so on. So turn it, you find the number you find, that's the number you're gonna do. Okay, so the valve adjustment is gonna be 20 an intake, 20 to 26, 24, 20 to 24 an intake, and it's gonna be 28 to 32 in exhaust. Okay, look, this is what I'm talking about. That's the way it sounds. I have 25 millimeters right there, and it's pretty clear, so that's a lot. We're gonna go down to 20 millimeters. So remember, 20 millimeters intake side, 28 to 32 exhaust side. Okay, don't forget that.